Okay guys, this is what the finished look is. This is a full dress, and then I'm going to show you how the beading was done. Yeah, you'll be needing a matching thread, you'll be needing a scissors, and then you'll be needing the desired bead you want. I'm using a red crystal bead for this, so you can see it's a red crystal bead, so whatever bead of your choice. So let's go right into the video. With the thread now, I'm going to pass it in between the lining and the material. I will not pass it like that to the front. I'll just pass it and come out in between. No need to bring it out from the front, so you will not spoil your design. You just pass it and you bring it out in between where you join the lining and the main fabric. So I'll bring it out from there now, like so. And then after that, I'm going to get my beads. I'll be working with 14 numbers of bead, 14 pieces of bead. So this is me inserting the beads into the needle. So it's advisable you work with a longer needle so that you can just put everything once. Yeah, and please, when doing your beading, you cannot be working on a red fabric and a red bead and be using a white thread. No, you cannot be working on a red fabric, a red bead, I'm using a blue thread. No, it's going to make it awkward. So it's advisable you use a matching thread. Most people use twine. Some people call it is it fishing line or something? Yes, so any one of your choice, but me, I decided to use a thread, matching thread for this. A sewing thread can go for it. For most of you asking what kind of thread, a sewing thread, a good one, can go for it. So this is me passing the beads into the the needle. So you can see it's taking me time because it's a short bead. So now I'll be putting in the last one, and it's the last one we are going to use in turning it. So just watch me closely, you see what I'll be doing now. So I've gotten my exact number of length I want. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the last bead, I'll separate it, last one, I'll keep it aside, pass my needle aside the last one, pass my needle from every others, leaving the last one. So you see the reason why I said it's advisable you work with a longer needle. You see, I have to break and then pass again through the other ones. Assuming it's a longer needle, it will just go once. So you pass it gently, you come out from the very last one. Yeah, like so. So this is it, and then you will hold that bead you did not put your needle through. So that bead serves as the holder. If you want to adjust it, you hold it and you drag it. Mind you, when you're dragging it, don't make it too tight so that the bead can be dangling. You see some beaded work, the bead will just be standing so stiff. So you see how free it is now. So it's very easy and okay that way. So like that now, it is not tight, it is free. So we are going to tie it, and in doing that, you pass it in between the lining and the fabric. Please don't pass it from the top. If you want to tie it, don't pass your needle from the top, in between. That's where you hide your stitches. You bring it out and then you take it again, you tie it. Now this tying, make sure it doesn't come out from the outer side. Everything should be done hidden inside the tie it. So that's it. You see the reason why your scissors is very important. You cut and then you tie your knots. So thank you for watching up to this time. Please do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me for more lovely tutorials. Thank you. I love you. So this is me tying it. Can tie it